The word of the day is Bruxism, which is an unconscious grinding of the teeth, often from stress. And come to think about it, I think that was what was happening in those last couple of reps. I had to step outside because it was a little bit louder in there. But I do like to do some Nordic curls in there with some bands. I'd like to put a little bit of toe flexion in there because I know how that builds and strengthens the knee and the stability of the knee. And you can take that from a former 5'8" dunker out there banging on dudes. But just because I use the bands, don't get it twisted that makes it easy. It's still hard. You saw the last couple of reps. I was pretty much grinding out there. And speaking of grinding,